We just released 2 new features for Webhound. They are starting from an existing data set or spreadsheet and adding a column manually. Let me just show you really quickly how that works. So from here, where we can already upload our files, we can choose Start from Spreadsheet. Here I have a CSV of tech founders and their dogs that I also made with Webhound. It's going to take a second to look at the structure of the spreadsheet and figure out what the rows and columns and attributes are so that we can move forward with the same structure. So as you can see here, right, we have, all the different columns, a description. Any one of these I can edit, and I can change the description, but also, the format I want it in, and the name of it. So, if everything looks good, I'll just hit approve and continue. And so now we see our standard Webhound view, but we're starting with this data set we already have, right? I could ask Webhound to find me 100 more, right? And it would add a bunch more rows. Say I had a spreadsheet of a couple examples, but I want way more. That's how I would do that. But the feature I want to show you guys is adding column manually. So what I can do is I can, here company revenue is an example. I could say I want company valuation, right? So I want the valuation of the company that this founder with their dog has, whatever, right? I could say the valuation of the company that the founder founded, and then, I'll leave format blank. And then so here in search instructions, I can reference any of the other columns. So I could say search for the valuation of the company founded, right? So now it's going to use that column in its process to search for the valuation. And so now, it's added that column, and one by one, it's going to go through and it's going to fill this out. And there we go. We have all the valuations over here. It's not in a standardized format, but, I could have specified a format in the creation of that column, or even now I could say, I want them all in X format or whatever. And there we go. Happy searching.